What's everybody settling in for the evening? Check this. Now that's sick. I love being out on the water like this. Now I feel safer. Let me show you all what's up. We got the stabilizers on here. That's for a kayak, but I put it on the Canoe. Now it's like even boats go by rocking nothing, man. And I'm not afraid of hooking onto a big one now. That ain't gonna top me over. So it's working ways. So bread, we got shad, liver, weenie. We got some cheese bait. Had a few nibbles already tonight. Run up along this bank of tree line here. Also working with the Nebo drop shot tonight. We'll see that. I think this is the 4,000. So we'll see what we can attract up with this tonight. But yeah, man, this is great. My favorite part, probably the whole reason why I did this, is what right here. Yeah, standing up out here. It's a little bit to navigate, but I'm not worried about hooking into them. Y'all can't really tell, I'm like 6'5", 320. So the riding dog Ziggy. Ziggy, say hi to everybody. What's up, man? Alright, wish us luck. Stay tuned for the glow show. And that drop shot, maybe that drop light, maybe it'll do us some love. We hunting.